Thank you for liking my channel and subscribing to it. And if you have not subscribed Yearn to Learn yet, please press the subscribe button now. This video is about 5 crisp tips for online teaching, especially for primary students. So elder students understand when they are in middle school, high school, they have that much of maturity to take and absorb online classes and content, but with primary you need to be a bit active. So how can we make our young children's online class more interesting? So first tip is use props. A lot of props are there that are handy. You can use flashcards, puppets, and face masks. So use objects around you to make your online class interesting. The focus should not only be on your face or a PPT or a video. Use objects. Small things matter whenever you're explaining something. If you are telling them about solid, liquid, gas, show those objects instead of showing just the pictures. You can take that examples. If you are referring to nouns, you can take some examples that are live with you, and in case the particular thing is not available, then switch to the picture mode. The second tip is be very expressive. Now how can you be expressive? Now in class, when you are moving around, your whole body language is there to engage the child. Plus there are so many things around, and you have your smart board, you have your whiteboard, you have your teaching learning resources. But how can you make it up in an online class? So use your face for expressions and use your voice modulation. It can help. For example, instead of saying then it happened that, now this is so simple, then it happened. So it would give an impression of interest to the child, and the child will be engaged. You can use voice modulation. Say if you're narrating a story, then the lion roared, then the lion roared. So these sort of elements add excitement. Be expressive. Third thing to remember is to take one idea or concept at a time. Do not just throw the concepts. Say if you are taking, I'm taking English example, if you are taking nouns, stick to nouns. Do not just go to the types and singular, plural and other things along with that. Stick to the concept first of all, one concept at a time. Remember, they are not in their school normal environment, so it would be very harsh on them if you just keep on throwing concepts one after the other. So take one concept at a time. Fourth point is have a lot of fun activities for them. Don't think that you are restricted, that a student has to sit in front of the screen for good 30-40 minutes, and same is with you. Ask them to look around. Say you're teaching adjectives, you have given the concept. Now ask them to write in the chat box any 5 adjectives that they can see in their room. From their room they can take examples. Now they will look around and then they will type it, or you can unmute them and let them speak in front of the whole class. Fifth point is to get them active. Now the screen does not restrict you to sit in one posture for good 30-40 minutes. So you can have them do yoga, breathing exercise or stretching. You can do some things that they can follow. You can tell them how to inhale and exhale. You can make them do face yoga. So these are the facial exercises. You can make them jump 10 times. Let them stand and say jump 10 times at your place. So let them be active. Maybe they are missing on this fun that they used to have in their regular school. So that was very quick. These were the 5 tips. Let me know if it works in your class, and do let me know if you would like me to make a video on any other topic of relevance. So I'm signing off. Again, I remind you to do subscribe my channel. May God bless you all. Thank you.